How to get more coupons on SHEIN. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Over here you can see this search box. Just tap on it and type in over there SHEIN coupons. With that you will land to this kind of interface. Over here you're gonna find tons of websites that provide SHEIN coupons, so you can choose any of these. Just open it. I'm gonna open this first one. After you open the website, you will land to this kind of page where you can find the coupon codes as well as offers. Head towards the section of coupon codes. In this page, you're gonna find tons of options. If you are interested in any of the coupon, all you have to do is click on the option of view coupon. And this is the coupon code. You can copy it or you can directly go to the website of SHEIN and use this coupon. If you want to get more details about the coupon, you can click on this option of show more. And it's gonna provide you the more details of the coupon. So this is how you can get more coupons on SHEIN. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.